Today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to be working on the riding lawnmower, which needs a tune-up. I bought this tune-up kit from Tractor Supply. It's basically for a Kohler engine, and what it comes with: oil filter, a couple of spark plugs, air filter, fuel filter, and 2 quarts of engine oil. What it doesn't come with is the gear oil for the laterals for steering, because I got to get this riding lawnmower ready for the season, because there is a lot to mow. First thing we have to do is drain the oil, and it's this right here. You'll have to take 2 wrenches, one to hold this nut right here and the other to take the drain plug out. Okay, so while that's leaking out, the oil filter is right there, bright yellow, so I'm gonna have to unscrew that off. Hopefully I don't need a tool. Hopefully I can get it off by hand. Oh, sweet. Now, there's really no way of getting that off without making a mess. So, yeah. There it is. I'm going to use some of that oil and put it on the seal of the new filter. New filter. Okay, while we're waiting for the rest of the oil to be drained from the pan, I'm going to go ahead and switch out the air filter. Voila. That is. Whew, it is real dirty. And guess what? Have the wrong air filter. Meantime, I'm gonna have to knock this dirt out of this filter and use it until I get the right one. It's pointing. Look at that. Okay, so while we're still waiting on the engine oil to drain, we're gonna go ahead and replace the spark plugs. So there is one on that side. Loosen that up, there you go. And then one on this side. Pull out the wire. There we go. And then use the spark plug socket to get them out. That doesn't look bad. Click. All right. Yeah, not too bad. All right, and then we'll check. Looks like the oil has finally stopped draining, so I'll put the drain plug back in. Now the fuel filter. Then you want to make sure that the filter is pointed towards the engine. It's adding the engine oil. Last thing I need to do, add some gear oil, full cold. And there's nothing in there. Jeez, that sucker's on tight. Yep, there's not hardly anything in there, so hopefully I've got the right weight gear oil. I did purchase an air filter for the Cub Cadet, and you can tell that this one is different from the original one, but it's also half price. It's a good deal. So that's it. Job done. Got the Cub Cadet tuned up, ready to go. And if you have any questions about what I did, just drop in the comments box below. All the different product links I'll have in the description box as well. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I will earn a small commission if you use those links to purchase those products. If this is your second time watching one of my videos, go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't hurt. I appreciate it, and until next time, see ya.